So, dito sa ating privilege exec mode type pin 192, no, 192.168.1.100. So, as you can see, success siya. We can now proceed na sa ating pagba-backup. So, sa ating privilege exec mode, type natin here yung copy startup config tftp. Yan, copy startup config tftp. Then the address or name of remote host is 192.168.1.100. Tapos let's accept lang yung default, enter lang natin. So now next natin gagawin is go to tftp1 server and click natin yung services. Click natin yung TFTP. So as you can see, here, meron na yung R1 config natin. We successfully back up the R1 startup config. So nandiyan na siya. Ang last step naman natin dito sa ating lab is upgrade the R1's iOS image to the C2900 Universal K9MC.SPA bin imaged on TFTP1. So, ang gagawin natin first is let's check yung iOS version ng ating R1. So, proceed tayo ulit sa ating R1. Check. To check the version of R1, sa ating privilege exec mode type sh version. So, as you can see, yung version natin is yung 2900 software, and then yung image file natin is ito. Yeah. So, ang need natin is i-upgrade. Control-C natin. So, i-copy natin yung i-upgrade nating file nasa TFTP server. Ito siya. TFTP server 1. So, ayan. Hanapin natin yung C2900. So, ito yung latest version. So, copy natin yan to Control-C. Control-C. And then, balik tayo sa ating R1. Sa ating privilege exec mode, type copy TFTP, TFTP flash. So, enter natin yung address as 192.168.1.100. And then, dito sa ating source file name, paste natin yung kinapin natin kanina through Control-E. Yan. So, yan na yun. Yung latest version na i-upgrade natin. Then, enter. Next is, tingnan natin kung nandun na siya. Na-copy na ba natin sa type sh flash. So, yan. As you can see, dalawa na yung iOS natin dito. Yung luma and then yung bago nating nilagay. Ito yung bago. So, to delete yung una natin, ganito yung gagawin natin. Delete natin yung old one. Through this command, delete. Dito pa rin sa ating privilege exec mode. Delete flash. Copy natin yung copy natin yan. Yung luma. Control C. Ay. Tapos, paste natin yung file name dito. Delete. Flash. Paste. Ano natin, din natin siya. Yan po, type na lang natin. 2,100 to sign J 151 So, yan yung old file na file name. Delete natin yan. Yes. So, yan, na-delete na natin. Para makasiguro tayo, check natin kung na-delete na ba SH flash. So, as you can see, na-delete na yung old file. So, andito na yung bago. So, check natin yung version. First is, need muna natin i-reload. Check natin kung nag-upgrade na yung ISO image natin. Reload muna natin. So, yan. Punta tayo sa privilege exec mode. Ay. So, dito, SH, type natin yung SH version. So, yan. So, ito yung ating upgraded version. Tapos, ito naman yung ating system image file. See, so, yan nakita natin na bago na yung version natin, na-upgrade na. So, tapos na yung ating laboratory. Thank you for watching.